Hey, it's John from KH Camera. Today, we're talking about something every photographer should have in their kit. The legendary lens Trinity. That's the 16-35, the 24-70, and the 70 to 200 millimeter lenses. Together, these three lenses cover just about everything you'd ever need. I'm gonna break down why these lenses are so essential and what makes each one of them special. First up, we've got the 16-35 millimeter, your wide-angle workhorse. This lens is perfect for landscapes, architecture, and even those dramatic environmental portraits. The ultra-wide field of view lets you capture a lot in one frame. One big pro, it's fantastic in tight spaces, where you need to fit more in the frame. Next up is the 24-70 millimeter. This is probably the most versatile lens in the Trinity. And honestly, if I could only take one lens with me, this one would have to be it. You can go from a wide angle at 24 millimeters for landscapes, street photography, or group shots, and then zoom into 70 millimeter for portraits or detail shots. It's like having multiple lenses in one. This one in particular has an f2.8 aperture, which makes it great for low light situations and gives you that beautiful shallow depth of field for portraits. It's truly a do-it-all lens that works in almost any scenario. And last but definitely not least, we've got the 70 to 200 millimeter. This telephoto beast is your go-to for sports, wildlife, portraits, and events. The compression at 200 millimeters makes your background look closer, giving your shots a cinematic, professional feel. It's also super sharp across the range. So whether you're zoomed in at 200 millimeters or somewhere in between, you're going to get top-notch quality. So why does everyone need the lens Trinity? Simple. These three lenses cover everything from the ultra-wide 16 millimeter for landscapes, the 24 to 70 millimeter for versatility and everyday shooting, to the 200 millimeter telephoto shots. These lenses ensure you're ready for any situation. So whether you're shooting portraits, events, or travel, having this trio means you'll never miss a shot. All right, well, that's why we believe the lens Trinity should be in your bag. If you're serious about photography, these three lenses are essential. Let us know in the comments which lens is your go-to. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for more gear reviews and tips. If you're in the market for the lens Trinity or lenses in general, check out our website, kh.com.